All right, my love got a free GE, this model here, and going through the codes, thanks to LA's Appliances Redneck Engineer, going through all the details, figure out the codes, and going through this, treasure map there of what to do. Determined it was code 32 and failure to unlock. Well, I'm looking at this, and you're not supposed to remove that, but it's gonna get, I figured it was getting placed anyway, so I might try to repair it. And see that rail? I noticed on this side, the rail was smooth. This side, you see if I keep pushing it back, those little two bottom parts that it's sliding up, they were popped off and it was down on the bottom. And it wasn't moving, it was stuck. I pushed it way back down, pushed it back up, the fingers on, or technically this way, I pushed it down, got it back connected, and it seems to be moving. Let's check it out and see if that works. Nope, on reading the resistance, noted 70 ohms for the coil, and I don't know which one's which. I didn't really look back at the wires, but I figured I'll just go ahead and test each connection to see if any of them are. None of them are 70 ohms. They're all like 185 kilo ohms. So I'm guessing the coil's bad in here. I'm struggling. Hopefully it didn't fry anything up board-wise. But while this is all open, I'm going to get the board number while I'm at it. Okay, well, so much for getting at the control board. Just kind of peeking at the plug, and I'm like, oh, there's a little corrosion. So, I'm like, hey, what's all in here? And what might be causing some resistance issues? And, yeah, I saw the corrosion. And, yeah, these switches, I guess mainly the coil resistance is has the one spec. So, I'll have to check there and check there just to see. Okay, interesting. I can kind of see what might need at least electrically repaired. This little finger isn't making continuity when the mechanism goes down. And this mechanism isn't working correctly. This is supposed to go up all the way, and it's not going up all the way. So it's supposed to be when this goes in, this goes, there we go. That goes down. Now when this goes all the way open, this is supposed to come up all the way. So there's something going on with this, not being able to unlock or lock all the way. Based on that solenoid, which actually read 96, so it's supposed to be 70 ohms. It's almost 100 ohms. I don't know how accurate this is, but I don't know how accurate that needs to be. So interesting, seeing some issues, potential issues here that are making sense now. So just blew that all out with canned air, and then I got a file under there and filed these contacts. So now at least when there is both back, there is continuity, but it is around 100 ohms, so it might be going bad. Let's see, I'm going to try it. OMG, I fixed the switch. I think it's going to work. Oh my God, I got to put this back together now. Oh shit. Whoops. Wow, no way. Cool. I think I fixed it. Wow, I can't believe I restored that switch. Awesome.